Action research. What is it? It's questioning anything you believe needs improvement and coming up with fresh concepts and options. As a result, an educator takes up the role of explorer or maybe a researcher inside their own unique instructional setting while also participating in it. Action research demonstrates how you identify and improve a dilemma in the classroom through the use of a reflective research cycle of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. In other words, action research expands your abilities as a teacher by allowing you to do an investigation of a problematic situations you have in the classroom and offer numerous solutions to it. The teacher as a researcher. How to be a researcher. When you are a teacher, you become a researcher since you are doing research all the time. Because although the course of preparation that you had as a teaching student is not the same as being in the classroom, you realize that the reality is different and you begin to present problems within the classroom with the different students that you have. Action research requires a thorough investigation in which the issue must be well defined. An action plan must be explained and carried out, and an assessment must be taken into account to determine whether the choices made were the right ones. The four essential characteristics of pure action research identified by McDonald's are participant-driven and reflective, collaborative, context-specific, and improvement and practice. Action research adopts systematic and scientific process. It does not enforce rigorous rules to be followed during the process of research. In this research, the data are collected, analyzed, and presented in a systematic way with enormous freedom for the researcher. How to do the action research? How to apply it? Well, in action research, there is no hypothesis. Nothing is compared or contrasted to check or determine the best. No experimentation to support hypotheses, but the ultimate goal is to understand the situation for making enhancement.
Action research implies a cycle in which the researcher, in this case teacher, plans an action and observes the implementation of this action. He or she reflects on the results given by this action and repeats the cycle in order to improve the context or to improve the research process. When we talk about action research, we can analyze several pros as it is collaborative, it's of practical application, it is flexible, but I think that one of the most important characteristics of this approach is the empowerment that it can give to the teachers as they can become researchers and they can influence on their context. On the other side, the cons are that this approach is really time consuming. The data may be subjective and cannot be generalized to all the context. Reflective teaching and action research are closely linked. Both look to solve problems, the data is qualitative and involves reflections. Both contribute to professional development of the teacher. Both are based on the context of the educative system and both are collaborative. Our general impressions of this approach is that action research is an ideal approach for novel teachers who are concerned in solving concrete problems. To be successful, this approach must be strongly linked to reflective teaching and must be done in a systematic and routinary manner.